Friends, it's Miss Schrader here again. So I've had a couple parents and students not sure how to get to the learning opportunities being put up by your very caring teachers that work with you. So I wanted to do a quick video in case that is someone in your family or you might need a quick how-to on how to find what you need. So you go to the school district website, you click on the green continuing education bar, and you scroll down until you reach your grade level. So let's say I'm in 4th grade, so I click on 4th grade. There's a paragraph from the principals, and then you click on that week's resources, and it provides you everything your teacher's expecting you to work on throughout the week. No, you don't need to keep the same schedule. This is just a suggested schedule, but the work is what you'd want to be working on throughout the week. Reach out to your teachers, your class dojo, email if you're having questions. So I hope this helps, and again, this is Ms. Schrader. Thank you for watching.